Okay, there's something happening with Tesla stock that is really showing me that now is the right time to buy Tesla shares if you want to get in. And we will talk about the first part, what happened on Monday. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so on Monday, even though the analyst is not that famous, Canaccord sees accelerated growth for Tesla energy. And what they have done is actually they increased the price target from somewhere around below 500 to over 1,000, okay? A huge jump, 100% jump. And now you are wondering, okay, what's now, the beauty about it? Well, this helped the stock to go a little bit higher on Monday. I think it was like 3, almost 4%, okay? So Canaccord Genuity analyst, I hope I said it right, Jed Dorsheimer on Monday joined some of Wall Street who believe Tesla Inc. stock will shoot past $1,000. Thanks in this case to the Silicon Valley car maker's year-long lead in battery and energy storage technology. Dorsheimer upgraded his rating on Tesla stock to buy from hold and more than doubled its price target on the stock to $1,071 from a previous target of $419. The price target and stock multiples may be rich, but Tesla holds a several-year lead and is now expanding aggressively into storage and thus feel our multiple is warranted, the analyst said in a note on Monday. Tesla's engineering will radically change the battery market, enabling the company to further the lead in battery electric vehicles and expand into the solar and home energy markets with its Powerwall products. Battery supply constraints are seen beginning to subside by next year, just in time for Tesla's in-house battery cell to come in line in the factories under construction in Texas and Germany, as well as the Gigafactory in Nevada, they said. We are expecting accelerated growth in the energy generation and storage business, the Canaccord analyst said. Canaccord's above $1,000 Tesla price target is among the highest on Wall Street. Analysts at Oppenheimer, Piper Sandler, and Webush are among those with Tesla price targets at or above $1,000. Okay, so this is an article by MarketWatch, so shout out to those guys that brought us this in. But as you can see here, an analyst rating helped the stock on Monday to go higher. Now comes even the more important part, and actually my indicator to buy in Tesla shares, a couple of more. I think I spent today like $9,000 to buy Tesla shares, and I actually made sure to wait for a very specific technical factor that we dive in right now. So as of this recording, Tesla is at 727, 3.62% up, and I invested today when it was up pre-market 1.7%. And as you can see, I saw something happening. First of all, the data for inflation came out and they were not too bad, okay? So this also helped those growth stocks like Tesla and other stocks to gain a little, okay? And now if you are looking at this Tesla stock today and almost now going even higher to 4% plus, I need to show you something technical wise, okay? So technical wise, Tesla share did something quite interesting as well. For that, we need to turn my display here. And actually we crossed the 50 moving average, and exactly there you can see that the Tesla share really shoot up, okay? It shooted up, and that's why this is a very, very bullish move, okay? It crossed to the downside at about, end of February here, and went down further and further, and then now it's back up and it's crossed the line. Now it's super important for the Tesla shares to cross above this 50 moving average, okay? So at least above 714 it is that they need to close today. So I hope they will do it. It seems like it's quite sure, because also, you know, this kind of stock related technicals are always, you know, triggered also by algorithms, for example. And obviously, you know, this is super nice to see that this kind of things work out. I got already nice percentage on my investment. This is obviously very interesting and very successful. But there's even one more thing that I consider to be very important for the next couple of days for Tesla. And this is obviously the earnings, okay? In about 13 days, we will know what Tesla has for us in the Q1 of 2021. Now, first we know the first basic part, which is we have record deliveries, okay? So obviously, these stonks are very great in terms of, you know, when things, you know, really work out. We know, if you are following me since more than 2 years, that we cover Tesla as one of the only few people on YouTube. Meanwhile, there's obviously many people that covering Tesla stock. But if you are an OG of Wolf of Dubai, make sure to smash the like button. Guys, actually, I would love to have more than 250 likes on this video, so make sure to do that for me. This would be highly appreciated for the algorithm as well. And if you share this channel with your friends and family, this would be appreciated as well. There's a lot of work going into these videos, you know, and also daily live stream. So I'm super excited because those earnings could be a nice surprise, even though we know that there will be no high priced Model S and X, which actually got just revamped or refurbished. So whatever, you know, the new Model S and X is already out, but not delivered or sold yet. So, you know, sold yes, delivered no. And Tesla actually counts them when they are delivered. They, you know, they count them just then that they get the full amount and put them into the financials. This is how are they doing it, okay? So you can see, okay, there is the Model Y in China that could help the margins. But I think the margins could be a little bit under pressure here, okay? If not, if the Model Y from China can, you know, somehow help this, well, this would be very well. Then on the other side, I want to know what is going on in the energy business, because in the last conference call, they actually said that the overall situation is way too good for energy. They are basically sold out for years in the energy sector, okay? This is obviously the best challenge that the company can have, you know, to be sold out for years in such a high growth part of the business, yeah? Energy might be much bigger than the automotive industry. And I think, you know, if you're looking into Tesla, what could be the most strongest gains for the company over the next couple of years? This would be, you know, first the automotive, right? Then the self-driving business, and then the energy business on the top of everything, because the way where Tesla actually can transform the whole world into a sustainable energy complex is immense, okay? Forget about selling cars and self-driving cars for ride sharing and robotaxi. If they can revolutionize the grid, the power grid, okay, in the biggest countries in the world, and I'm talking US, I'm talking, you know, most of Europe, you know, I'm talking about Australia, I'm talking about Asia, then this would be absolutely mind-blowing, okay? Really mind-blowing. And I think this could happen, right? And I think that Wall Street still hasn't really appreciated the fact and doesn't account it in the valuation yet. I mean, if you're considering that there's a company that will revolutionize the power grid, okay, then this is the most valuable company on earth. I mean, such a big business, something that everyone uses every single day. Okay, without power, we are basically nothing. And if you can sell a product that is for the company a win because they are selling it and getting, a lot of money for that. But also the government gets, a benefit from that, saying, okay, we save a lot of money and can store a lot of energy. And then the consumer benefit as well by saying, I pay less for my power and I can give even power back to my, to my power grid and earn some money. Well, you have like a win-win-win situation, which is absolutely insane. Okay, insane. So I think that this is exactly what you would need to look for. This is the long-term vision, okay? The short-term version is also quite interesting right now. That's why I bought, today more Tesla shares and I wanted to share with you. Let me know in the comments below and have a fantastic week in this month of April.